Three major PNP draws kick off 2026: New Brunswick, British Columbia, and Manitoba. Canada has opened 2026 with three important provincial nominee program updates from Manitoba, British Columbia, and New Brunswick, showing a clear focus on skilled workers with strong provincial connections. If you're planning your PR pathway this year, these draws set the tone for what provinces are looking for. BC starts 2026 with its first Entrepreneur PNP draw. The first BC draw of the year was held on 13 January 2026, and in this round, the province issued 7 invitations to apply, with a minimum score requirement of 115 points. Now, what makes this stream so important is that it's designed for experienced entrepreneurs who want to either start a brand new business in British Columbia or purchase and grow an existing one. And unlike the regional stream, this one does not require a community referral. Typically, candidates applying under this stream need to show a strong financial background, with around $600,000 in net worth and at least $200,000 in investment capacity, depending on their business plan. It also allows candidates to hold at least one-third ownership in the business they plan to run. Manitoba begins 2026 with a highly targeted skilled worker draw. Manitoba held its first MPNP draw of 2026 in mid-January, but instead of inviting from the general pool, the province selected only candidates who had already received direct invitations through Manitoba's strategic recruitment initiatives. A total of 55 skilled workers were issued letters of advice to apply under the Skilled Worker in Manitoba and Skilled Worker Overseas pathways, showing a more cautious and selective start compared to last year. This draw was heavily employer-driven, with invitations spread across recruitment categories like employer services, francophone community, regional communities, ethnocultural initiatives, and a temporary public policy for work permits. Some invited candidates also had express entry profiles, meaning they may qualify for enhanced nominations and gain a major CRS boost. New Brunswick issues 379 invitations across 3 streams. New Brunswick also launched its first NBPNP draws of 2026 between January 13th and 15th, issuing a total of 379 invitations to apply across 3 immigration streams. The New Brunswick skilled worker stream received the highest share, with 244 invitations, primarily for candidates already working in the province or graduates from New Brunswick institutions. To qualify, candidates needed to be living and working in New Brunswick with an employer willing to support their nomination. The Strategic Initiative stream invited 115 francophone candidates, marking the first time this stream has been used in over a year. These candidates had strong ties such as education at Université de Moncton, previous residence, or a letter of interest from the province. Finally, the New Brunswick Express Entry stream invited 20 candidates working in TR023 occupations. These nominees can receive an additional 600 CRS points, making Express Entry nominations a key advantage here. Conclusion: what this means for candidates in 2026: all the 3 provinces are clearly prioritizing candidates with strong local connections, job offers, and work experience in the province. If you want to improve your chances this year, now is the time to build provincial ties, maintain an active EOI profile, and stay ready for upcoming draws. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.